I'm sorry you have to find out this way. It's been going on for some time now. Eric, you know this thing they say about love. You don't choose who to fall in love with. Ben and I found love in each other and we are compatible. Eric, I'm sorry. It's quite unfortunate I'm not into you. I found love. Love is love.
What the hell are you talking about right now? So you didn't know that all these years? And I've been showering my love on you for nothing? Huh?
Eric, what do you want? Do you want me to lie to you? Do you want me to keep pretending that I'm in love with you when I know I'm not? You want me to pretend and then start misbehaving when we get married? It's best you know now so you can move on with your life.
L is for the way you look at me.
Hey.
O is for the only one I see.
Good morning, Eric.
Hi, good morning.
How are you feeling today?
Oh, I'm alive.
Anyways, I made you breakfast, okay?
Oh, really?
So you can come eat.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
That was very thoughtful of you. But I still don't have appetite right now.
Well, you have to find it, okay? And if you can see, I intentionally made you tea bread with boiled eggs. Because if you remember, you told me that was your favorite breakfast.
I can see. So that was why you asked me yesterday.
Well, kinda.
It's nothing serious. I don't just have appetite right now.
Well, you have to try. Okay, you've literally not had anything to eat since the whole incident. So you have to eat something. And trust me, I'm going to start acting like your mom.
Really?
Yes, really. So get up.
So you want to act like my mom right now?
Well, for the time being, I think I need to do that. So get to it already. Stand up.
Okay, mommy. All right.
There you go.
Since you won't let me rest. Oh, wow. This actually looks nice.
I hope it tastes nice as well.
From the looks of things, it does.
And by the way, I used honey because I do not use sugar. I hope you don't mind.
Nah, I don't. All right, all right. Nonsense. Who in their right senses will park this way? Who in their right senses will park this way? Are you serious right now?
I don't understand. What's the problem?
Who in their right senses parks like this?
See, Oga, I needed to rush inside to do something because I had a situation. So what's the problem?
So what were you thinking when you parked like a nuisance?
See, the fact that you own 2 rooms in this apartment does not mean that you're my landlord, okay? What rubbish? I don't understand. Can't you see that the parking space is tight? And I was rushing. Excuse me, rubbish.
Really? So mannerless.
Are you my landlord?
I will deal with you in this compound. I will deal with you in this compound. Me? Eh? Okay, don't worry. We'll see. We'll see about that. We'll see about that. So this is what I have to deal with for the next 6 months. 6 months. How can I do this? Huh? 6 months? Unbelievable. I don't know if I can even do this. Yeah, come in. Come in. Come in. Oh. My boss. The boss of all bosses. I greet you.
You're on this. You're on this bus then. I mean, we are not at the office anymore, so you can leave all the formalities in the office. All right?
Oh, please stop that. It doesn't change the fact that you are still my boss. Okay? Please, have a seat.
It's fine.
Thank you. You're welcome.
Yeah, it's not bad.
Thank you. You know, the agent you recommended to me sure knows how to do his job. He knows how to work with anyone's budget.
I told you.
Yeah. It's just that I'll be sharing this place with a flatmate for the next 6 months.
What do you mean by that?
Okay. So, this is a 3-bedroom apartment.
Okay.
But it's being rented out in rooms. So since I told the agent that I'll be needing a 2-bedroom apartment, he brought me here because there are 2 rooms available here. It's just that I'll be sharing here with someone for a while.
Wow.
Yeah.
So you would share this place with flatmates?
Yeah, that's what I said, but just for a space of 6 months. And by the way, I couldn't find any other place, and this is the only place I could get that's close to the office.
You fixed it up real good. Nice interior design.
Thank you. Trust me now. You know I've got good taste, don't you? Enough about me. Okay. Let me get you your usual, okay? I'll be right back. I'm coming.
All right. Wow. Nice interior. Wow.
All right. Here you go, sir.
Thank you.
You're welcome, sir. Hope you like that, sir.
Nah, come on. You know how I like it.
I sure do, sir.
You want this satin? You really need to stop, you know. No, I'm actually very serious. You should stop.
I can't stop. I'm sorry. I just can't stop. You know, so I don't sleep at work. You get what I'm saying? And by the way, just in case you've forgotten, you are the CEO. I mean, and also, you're my boss first before my friend. Okay?
Eric, one can find a friend anywhere. All right? Now, I might be your boss at the office, but it doesn't change the fact that you are one selfless human being that I know. And that is rare to find, you know. And your intelligence and drive is second to none. You know, I might not have told you this, but you actually inspire me.
What?
I'm serious, you do.
Please. You can't be serious right now. Me? How can I inspire my own boss?
Trust me, you do.
A whole CEO. Oh my goodness. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Excuse me. I'm really flattered by this. Thank you. Oh, baby. Hey, baby. How are you doing, my love? I've missed you so much.
I've missed you more, my love.
Hey. Listen, I'm so glad that you're wrapping up your youth service. So you come and join me here in Lagos real soon.
Our passing out is next week and I can't wait to join you.
Oh, I can't wait to have your bubbly self with me by next weekend. Trust me, we're going to have a good time. All right, baby, I have to go now, okay? We'll talk some other time. All I love you.
Love you too, babe.
You're a woman, right?
Yes, sir. My woman, my love, the most beautiful woman to me. You know, she's wrapping up with her youth service and will be joining me here very soon. So I'm happy about that.
That's nice.
Thank you. Thanks.
It's really nice.
So, have a drink.
A toast?
Toast to a toast to what? What are we toasting to?
Your apartment?
Right? Yeah, a toast to your apartment.
Cheers, man.
Cheers.
I'm special with no breaks. I'm invincible. And I'll do anything I want. Ooh, I'm so powerful. I don't need batteries to play. Woo, 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 woo. Woo. I'm unstoppable. Yes, girl, you are unstoppable. You are unstoppable.
Woo. Home sweet home. My baby. Hey baby. My breath of fresh air. How are you? Yeah, I just got back from work now. What's up? What? You've wrapped up and you'll be coming back in a few days? Oh my goodness, that's the best news I've had right now. Okay, you know what? I'm going to call you back later, okay, please. All right, baby. Okay, love you. Oh, I'm coming. The boss of all bosses.
My man.
My boss. How's it going?
Wait. This one you're still wearing your office clothes. Don't tell me you're just coming back from work.
I'm just coming back.
Oh, wait. Office closed hours ago, bro.
I wanted to clear up my decks, being that today is Friday. I wouldn't want to carry any work over to Monday, So, that's it.
You work so hard, my man. I really do appreciate you.
It's nothing. Thank you. Thank you.
Well done.
Thank you.
Yes. Today is Friday.
Yeah.
Listen, I want to take you out. So go and change. Let's go to the club.
You should know my stance on that by now.
Bro, you went out last week. So I thought you changed your mind already.
My woman didn't like that. And when she found out, it was trouble. You know what she feels? She feels that we go there to look for babes. And trust me, I wouldn't want no more problems with her. So, please.
Why then did I come here? I should have just gone straight to the club.
Relax. I'll tell you what. Why don't we just, chill here? I get you some drinks, just relax. My woman will be back in a few days. Then we can go and look for somewhere decent to hang out. What do you say? You can bring your babe along too.
Babe.
Yes, now.
Jump, babe.
Yes. Home, sweet home.
Oh my God, I'm finally home.
Yes, darling.
Can't believe I'm done with this shitty good service. Let me help you with that. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Finally, I'm done with this service.
Yeah, you're done actually, and I'm glad you're done with that phase of your life. And one more thing, I'm glad to be part of it.
Oh,
Let's go. Okay?
Baby,
Yes, love.
come here.
What is going on? Am I safe?
Of course you are.
Okay.
Eric.
Yes, darling.
My babe.
Yes, darling.
Okay. You've been the biggest part of my life for the longest. And I'm grateful for everything you've done and still doing for me. I mean, look at me, I'm a graduate.
Yes, you are.
All thanks to you. I remember how dark my life was before I met you. I had just lost my dad. Almost dropped out from school. But God sent you.
Oh.
My superhero.
Stop.
My guardian angel.
Oh my gosh, I'm shy.
And you swept me off my feet.
Jesus.
And ever since then, you've taken responsibility for my sibling and I. Baby, I am super grateful. Thank you. Thank you for everything you are to me. Thank you for loving this stubborn girl. Thank you so much. I love you, babe.
Oh. Listen, babe. Come here. You don't have to thank me. You don't. Because I love you too beyond words. Okay, my darling? Come here. Now, let's go inside. You need to rest. You've
so hungry.
come a long way. Yeah, there's food. I took my time to make a very wonderful,
My baby.
sweet, delicious meal for you. Hello, Emeka. Yeah, good day. Please, have you received my babe's CV that I sent to you? Okay, good. Yeah, please, kindly update me on any developments, okay? Okay. Thank you so much, buddy. Yeah, have a nice day. Yeah, thank you. Bye. Hi, buddy. What's good? Yeah. Please, quick one. Yeah, I would like to know, is there any opening at your office right now? Oh, okay. Please tell me when there is an opening so I can send in my woman's CV, okay? Okay, thank you so much. Okay, you too, buddy. Have a nice day. Okay, bye.
Baby,
Right. Yeah,
you
baby.
really went all out on this shop, you know.
of course. You started a new phase of your life. You're no longer a student anymore. So, I feel you need a total change of wardrobe.
Right?
Yes.
Here's my boyfriend being thoughtful. Are you so sweet, though? Come here.
Look at you.
Mwah. You know, anybody would think that my boyfriend is some billionaire kid or working in a multinational company.
What are you talking about?
Babe, because of how you spoil me.
Listen here, my darling. You see, giving is not all about how much you have. It's about how much you value the woman in your life. Yes. And when you love someone, trust me, you're going to give anything to that person. And trust me, I would do anything.
I know.
Absolutely anything.
I know.
Like anything.
No.
Come here.
Thank you so much, my love.
You're welcome.
Come, let me show you.
And one more thing, about your CV, I've started calling my friends. I've sent your CV to some of my friends here. So you should be expecting a call back very soon. Okay?
You're going to make me cry.
Stop.
What could I have done without you? Thank
I love you
so
too.
much.
I love you too.
You deserve everything. Come, let me show you how to love properly.
Let me go and learn from you.
Hey, I decided to come and see you now. Since you decided to forget about me. As Madam don't show now. Bad guy.
My brother, trust me, it's not what you think. It's not what you think. This guy.
Anyways, where you talk to your madam go again now?
Oh yeah, I dropped her off at the salon to wash her hair.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I would have actually loved to meet her.
You will, don't worry.
And we should definitely hang out someday. All of us.
Yeah, we will.
Bro, there's no interesting program showing on this TV now. Let's go out. See, it is not compulsory we must go out with your madam now. Let's go and have fun now.
This man. You better get yourself a girlfriend and be in a serious relationship. Live this wayward lifestyle of yours.
Hey, I am not living a wayward lifestyle. All right? I am just a happy man. Living a happy life.
If you say so. Babe.
So,
There you go. How you doing? Hello. Mwah. Come. I'd like to introduce you to somebody. Yes. Rob. Meet my angel, the love of my life. Benny. Baby.
Yes, babes.
Meet my boss and friend, Rob.
nice to meet you, Benny.
Nice to meet you too.
And don't mind him. Forget the boss part, all right? We're friends.
He's my boss, don't mind him.
It doesn't matter. Welcome, sir.
Thank you.
Babes, I'll be upstairs.
All right, baby. Look at you. You look beautiful.
Thank you.
I love your hair.
Love you.
Makes me want to love you all again.
Babe, stop.
And look at you. Darling.
Bro.
No. The man just look me finish when they rope me. For waiting now.
Are you serious?
Me we like tall guys. Me we like them fine. Show. Stand all those shorts and bro guys. You see what I do?
But why is that gender like that? They just piss me off. Sometimes it just feel like once they have money, it is just everything.
Me, I don't care about money. I care about
especially those short ones. They hate rejection like crazy.
I'm knocking.
They hate rejection like mad. Those shorts, man.
You know,
very disgusting thing. At times it's just for us to come. It's literally conk them. But club was fun, Sha. Yeah, it was. Very nonsense thing. But did you get any contact aside that was disturbing you?
You know me now.
You can never change.
You know me. No see one fine bubble way down our back.
Which one is that?
That one wait so we will black case.
And actually, really, that one looks like a player, Sha.
That one no concern me. All of us not player will be.
Anyways, me I beg. My own is just to have fun. I'm still not interested. You see that gender? I am so done. Like literally.
Oh my
beg,
God.
I can't deal. Even this one I'm living with is not even easy for me. I swear to God. It's not even... God. Like, bro, the guy pisses me off every single time. Like, it's so annoying, Like, the guy pisses me off every single time.
What is wrong with you? Are you with someone else in this flat?
Is you talking to me?
No, I'm talking to your spirit.
You excuse you. How dare you barge into my room like that? Who do you think you are?
Look at this skinny bitch. Oh, hold on. Because you think you're cool? Hi. You're not the only one living in the house. Do you realize that?
And the last time I checked, you do not pay my rent. You squatting bitch.
I'm not sparring. I stay with my aunt. Hello? You don't
What's that called?
Can you just shut
Get
up?
Get out of my room!
Shut up! Shut up! I don't want to come.
Yes.
You
Squatting.
had her right, madam.
Rubbish.
Leave the room.
Get out!
Can you imagine? Who is this one say?
I don't even understand though.
Hey, go. Not if it's me, no go see for this.
It's the disrespect for me.
As in.
Like, is she paying my rent? Because
As
she's squatting
in-
with that nonsense annoying human being there.
No call her nonsense. No say that like that.
Oh, please don't piss me off. I'm not even in the room. Like, she just barged for my room. She didn't mad.
Some people don't get my sha. I will just slap her. If I allow me, I just.
Oh, wait, no. Baby, that.
Yes, now that's his whatever, man. His cheap girlfriend that just came back from NYSC. And she's squatting with him and she's coming here to.
Just calm down, okay?
Because
Make I forgive the girl because of the man, because of the handsome man. If not, I for arrange him.
Better shut up your mouth. I'm not even in that mood.
Yeah,
I beg, get out, Jerry. I beg, you are men every time. Men.
So, watch me. You have to sit straight. Look confidently. Chest out. Not chest out like this, but be confident. Look confident. They have to know that you are confident.
Okay.
And another thing, maintain eye contact. Eye contact whenever you're answering any question in an interview.
But why do I have to do that though?
What do you mean, why do you have to do that? It shows that you know what you're doing. It shows that, like you're confident and you can, for God's sake. Haven't you had any interview
I'm
before?
sorry. How come you're teaching me? Calm down, babe.
Sorry, babe.
Leave me alone.
Sorry. But you have to show them that you know exactly what you're doing. Because trust me, if you don't know what you're doing, they won't give you the job. So I've showed you.
Trust that.
Yeah. So
And I look them
Show
eyeball
me.
to eyeball, and I tell them, "Hello, my boyfriend says you should give me that job."
No. You're sounding rude right now. Are you the interviewer? You're the interviewee, not the interviewer.
Okay.
You don't have to sound so. Just sit normal and
that'd be nice.
watch me. Oh, excuse me. My boss. 1 minute.
Oh.
My boss.
Come, take your time. So drive past tonight. Let us all have a hangout. Since you insist that if we have to go, we must go with your woman.
Yes, so you know she's the one I'm going to marry, so I have to start practicing it now.
Okay then. It's 11 p.m. alright?
No. 11 p.m. is too late. Let's make it 9 p.m. please. Don't forget I'm not a single man anymore.
Ha! Oh, this married man said. Alright, see you then.
You go and look for your own girlfriend. Alright, see you then. Yeah, bye. So, as I was saying, back to business. Babe, are you serious right now? Come on, babe. You can't be giving me this attitude because of another guy. You know I'm loyal to you and I will never cheat on you. So what's up?
Did you see how that guy was scanning every woman that comes in with his eyes? Is that how you guys behave when I'm not there? When you guys hang out alone?
Oh my goodness. Come on, babe. Rob is single. I'm not like him.
And you're not married. I can't remember you getting married though.
Babe, we are not the same.
Wow.
We are not the same, babe.
There's a popular saying that goes, show me your friend and I'll tell you who you
And
are.
what makes you feel I won't be the one to influence Rob?
What if he
instead?
influences you?
Oh my goodness.
Babe, you just need to stay away from that guy. I don't like him. I don't like his energy. He speaks disloyal, bad influence. There's something about, I don't like him. Just stay the hell away from him, please.
Babe, what are you talking about? Rob is my boss. I can't stay away from him. Come on, babe. Come on, babe. It's not that serious. Nothing is happening.
Okay. Like, you didn't see the way he was looking at every woman that comes. Jesus Christ, that guy legit stripped those women with his eyes.
Babe, listen. I can't have this argument with you this night.
You can't have the argument because I'm talking trash.
I didn't say you're
I don't
talking
have
trash.
sense.
I'm
I
just
don't know
saying
what
that
I saw.
I'm tired and grumpy. I'm not in the mood for this argument. I've tried to explain
Who
things
knows
to
if I wasn't there what you were going to do?
Babe, nothing will happen. I
No,
won't do anything.
nothing will happen, but he's your friend.
Nothing has happened and nothing will happen, babe.
You're saying it because I was there. What if I wasn't there?
L is for the way you look at me. O is for the only one I see. V is for very, very extraordinary. E is even than anyone that you adore can. L is the way you look at me. O is for the only one I see. V is for very, very extraordinary. E is even than anyone that you adore can. Love is all I can give you. It's more than just a game for two. Two will love can make it. Take my heart, but please don't break it.
Hello, Rob. Hey,
Yeah.
my main guy. What's good
I haven't
now?
gotten it yet, so I'm just still...
Yes, I know we've not seen
Okay.
outside the office. Trust me, it's not
Call you back.
intentional. It's just work and this examination that I'm preparing for. That's just it. I'm sorry about that, bro. But don't worry, whenever I have the time or the chance, I'll make out time for us to see. Okay? All right, bro. Yeah, take care. Hey, bye-bye. Hey, baby.
I know he's your friend and all, but I don't think he's a good influence.
What? Come on, babe. Rob is not a bad influence. It's just, besides, he can't influence me. I'll be the one to even influence him instead.
I know you're saying that, girls, show me your friend and I'll tell you who you are. Babe, I just wish you had a better friend.
Babe, Rob is not a bad person. He just have his way of life, that's,
Okay. You will insist.
Sorry, 1 minute. Hello, buddy. What's good? Okay, so where is the plot of land? Oh, wow. Really? That's close to the city. Yes, and development will be fast there. Wow, that's great. And to think that you can even pay instrumentally. Wow, that's beautiful. Yes, I'm very much interested in it. Just send me the form, okay? I'm very much interested. Thank you so much for this update. I really appreciate this. Thank you. Okay, but just send me the form, okay? Thank you. All right. Wow, this is great. Good news. Wow. Baby, are you okay? What's wrong?
I need a new phone.
A new phone? But what's wrong with yours?
Babe, look now. It's one eye. The phone is outdated.
I don't...
And the camera qualities are quite bad. They've dropped. My pictures are no longer looking sharp.
Let me see. Babe, there's nothing wrong with this phone now. Everything is... It still needs new, the picture quality. Everything is still fine. There's nothing wrong.
Because I know what I'm saying. See, they've released another version, like 3 other versions after this one now. This is outdated. I can't be seeing this an outdated phone.
Honey, come on. Getting a new phone shouldn't be our priority right now. Don't you think so?
Babe, it's just the phone.
Babe, we have a wedding to plan. And besides, I want to start investing little by little, seeing that I've not been able to invest over the years because of your family's more important needs I had to take care of.
Excuse you? No, hold on. Because I asked for a phone, you have to bring my family into this?
Babe, that's not what I'm trying to do.
No, that's what you're trying to do. That's what you've done.
Babe, you should understand where I'm trying to go here. Buying a new phone now shouldn't be a priority. That's all I'm trying to say.
For me, I need it. I need a new phone. It's outdated. My friends, nobody uses this phone anymore.
Well, I'm sorry to break your heart, boo. As long as the old phones are working correctly, I don't see any reason for getting a new phone. Babe, relax. Babe, come on, relax. By the way, this phone, the new phone that you're talking about, to get that phone now, the price of getting that phone will get me a plot of land. And I believe that's a better investment that we should focus on, not buying a new phone.
I don't understand. So what are you waiting for? I said you should cheat your own back, Joe. Two can play the game. What, Rob? Are you okay? I said two can play the game. Who the hell does he even think he is? I don't understand. Is he mad?
Yes, Mommy. I'll just talk to Eric to see if he can help. Mommy, I'm just fine now. Yeah, nothing really. I've been trying to secure a job, but nothing seems to be clicking. Mm, I guess, yes, Mom. Hi, Mommy. Hi. Hey, babe.
Hey, baby.
Mm,
How are you?
I'm good. That was my mom.
Oh, really? Hope you sent my regards.
Of course I did.
Okay.
Babe.
Mm-hmm.
Baby.
Mm-hmm. What is it?
My mom said she's having a little challenge in her business. The provision store you opened for her.
Mm-hmm.
So she was hoping you
Mm-hmm.
could get her a small car. Just to make the business easier for her.
What?
Small car. Small car.
Babe.
Babe.
Shift first. Shift. Shift. Just shift, yeah? Shift. Babe, you can't be serious right now. Like, how much do you guys actually think that I earn? Babe, in case you've forgotten, I'm a salary earner.
No.
I don't think your mom understands how that works. Please, explain to her. Besides, I'm trying to save up little now. Considering the fact that I've been shouldering you and your younger brother's school fees. Plus, I took care of your mom's business. Come on, babe. You guys should consider me
It's
now.
the same business that she needs the car for. It's not like she needs the car for her personal use or anything, no. Babe, please now. She knows that you can get it now. No, she just said you should consider it. If you can't buy it now, you can always buy it next month.
Babe, whatever. Listen, that shouldn't be our focus right now. We have a wedding to plan. Your mom's business is a provision business and it doesn't necessarily require a car to run it. So she can wait.
If she doesn't need a car, will she be asking for it?
Babe, please, I don't have the money now. Please, just shift, eh? Please, just shift. Car. I don't have that money now, please. I don't, I beg. Please. I want to sleep, yeah? Car. I'm tired, though. Let me sleep, okay? I love you. Love you too.
She's not even asking for a big car like that. It's a small car.
Like, I just hate men so much. The fact that all they do is to keep taking and taking from us women, and they keep asking you, oh, what you have to offer, what you have to give them. Like, I despise that gender so much.
I like men, especially when it's for complete sugar.
Of course.
Fine.
Yeah, of course you do. Exactly. And that is why they will keep using you and dumping your ass. Like, did you ever learn? Like, babe, did you ever learn?
Who they love now, me? No, I just snack and go. Nothing.
Anyways, I'm so more interested.
Who they run now?
So this is the best that you can do with your life.
And please, how is that even supposed to be your business? Do you pay my rent for me?
Okay.
Rubbish.
Sorry.
Oh, sorry for yourself.
Enjoy yourself.
Yeah, choke to you, die. Don't even do it. Don't try it.
Wait, what's it making me change self? I just say that guy cute and caring with it. I don't feel understand.
You people really think it's about being cute, caring, right? See, I don't even want to talk about that guy right now. Please, let's just leave it, I beg.
Yeah.
What is it, babes?
Oh, fine.
Yeah. I beg you, so much trouble. I'm so not interested in whether it's fine or not.
Hey, please, Sha, forget the trouble.
And what business is that supposed to be? Who cares? Do I look like I care?
Yeah, I care. You know me now, I care. I like them fine. Especially when they talk. See her now. You guys just stand like this.
Well, newsflash, he has a girlfriend.
And so? How is that my business? Look at that thing. They still praising another person else. So forget the matter.
Baby! Babe! Baby, I'm home! Babe? Baby? Baby? Babe, I'm home now. Babe! Oh my goodness. Babe? Babe? Where is she? Hello, babe.
Hello, my love.
Where are you?
Just around. You will see me now.
But babe... Seriously?
Hi, baby. You're back early.
Where are you coming from?
Oh. I went down the road. At the supermarket.
You went to the supermarket dressed like this? With such heavy makeup?
Babe. You know I like to look good. I always look good. You even approved of it, so what are you talking about?
Okay. So, where are the things you bought from the supermarket? Where are the things you bought from the supermarket?
Oh, okay. You know I went to the supermarket and they didn't have what I wanted, so I had to leave.
And what is it that you wanted, if I may ask?
Oh, baby, come on, let it go. It's just women things.
Women things like what?
Babe, women things.
Like what?
Let it go. It's a woman thing.
Okay. Make a list and give it to me. I'll go to the biggest mart in town tomorrow to get them for you.
Oh, isn't my boyfriend so cute? All right, baby. Let me make your lunch.
What? Babe, you haven't made lunch? Are you serious? And you know I didn't have breakfast because I didn't want to wake you up from sleep.
Babe, I'm sorry. I thought I was going to come back early. I'm sorry. It won't waste time, okay? Let me hurry up. I love you too.
Are you serious right now?
So guys, like I was saying, you need to look good at all times. To be an influencer is really not a day job. You need to, put in hard work. And yeah, Miss Soma. Oh, Miss Soma, I see you. Welcome to my life. I love you too. Hi, babes.
Hey, beautiful.
Guys, I will have to get back to you, like I was saying. Oh, Cosmos. Are you serious? Of course, I know I'm beautiful. Thank you. Yeah, and
Babe. Really? No hug? No kiss?
I'll just have to come back, okay? I have to attend to something. Bye, love you guys.
Oh, really? Me? I'm something.
Babe, I didn't mean it that way.
Is that a new hairstyle? You went to the salon?
Mm-hmm. Do you like it?
And you didn't ask me for money for it?
Oh, it's okay.
I usually drive you to the salon and pay for your hair, even though I know you know your way back home. So, what's up?
But babe, I've been saving. I don't want to disturb you over things I can actually handle. I've actually been saving to buy this hair from my service allowance.
Service allowance?
Mm-hmm. You like it, right? The color, everything suits my skin.
Okay.
Guys, okay, I'm back. So, like I was saying, the influencing industry did not accept ugly people. So, if you must come here, if you must be here, you need to look this good. Okay. Oh, Pamela, I think you were my last. Yeah, I remember you.
Home, sweet home.
Baby, can we order food online? I was at the salon the whole time, so I didn't have time to cook.
What are we ordering for food online for? With all the foodstuffs in the house.
But I just said I was at the salon now.
No, okay. If we're going to order, let's do that quickly because I'm extremely hungry. I'll give you a good vendor's contact, okay?
No, you don't have to. I'm going to order from Moment's Kitchen. These people, their food is... Oh, God.
How did you know about that restaurant? I've never taken you there before.
Oh, they're online now. Baby, now stop. They're online. They have IG handle. I read their reviews, and people think the food is nice. So the food looks good. So I want to taste it. There's this very meal from their menu that I want to taste.
Fine. If you want to do that quickly, okay?
Baby, your card.
Let me freshen up. Just do the ordering, then I'll give you the card later.
Oh, food. Okay, all right. So I need 2 big bowls of fried rice. Sorry, white rice and stew. Yeah. Then do you have momo? Okay, put a lot of momo, like 10 pieces. Okay, you have beef too, right? Just add 2. My man likes beef. Do you have 2 bowls of zobo?
Babe, has the delivery guy not come yet? Where is this food? What's the time? The guy should have been here by now. Babe, I'm so hungry. Benny! Are you serious right now? Wait. You mean the food has arrived and you didn't even say anything about it to me? Instead, you're here eating all alone?
Babe, no now. You're hungry. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, I don't know.
What?
No, babe, now, I know you complained of being hungry earlier, but you now went to sleep. So I thought to myself, since you are sleeping,
What?
You don't want to eat, you're not hungry.
What are you talking? I was sleeping because I was too hungry and too weak to even do anything. What are you even talking about right now? And for real, like, since when did we start eating separately, Benny? Don't we eat together anymore? What's going on?
Baby, I'm very sorry. Because me, I know if I'm hungry, there's no how I can lie down. So, for you to now be sleeping, I thought it to myself that...
Benny, where is my food?
You just calm down. Don't shout. Just calm down. Let me just...
Where is my... I'm hungry. I want to eat. Bring my food.
Baby, relax. I'll say something for me.
Are you serious right now, Benny?
You just woke up. You should not be shouting. I'm coming.
My goodness, I have a headache.
Sorry. No, baby, sit there now. Sit down.
I'm hungry and you're telling me to sit. What are you talking about? Where is my food?
I'm sorry. I'm coming. I'm gonna say something for you.
Why am I seeing one plate here? I didn't supposed to be more than one plate.
There's another one in the kitchen. I'm coming. Just hold on.
And you didn't bring it even... What?
I don't know. You're sleeping.
So can't you wake me up?
Sorry.
What are you... Goodness. I'm even having a headache right now. Hey, baby.
Hello.
How you doing?
I'm good.
My phone is so low right now. Wait. The electricity hasn't been restored? Why?
I don't know. This is even how we're going to cope till tomorrow. I'm even tired. And the gen is bad.
Really?
I tried starting it yesterday and it wouldn't start.
Babe, are you serious? And you didn't tell me about it all this while. I would have called the generator guy to come fix it. And now today is Sunday. How do I call the guy? What if this stuff continues till the next day? What are we going to do?
Baby, actually, I'm very sorry. I got carried away. I wanted to tell you. I actually thought I told you. I don't know. Babe, just what I'm going to do. Just get someone to fix it.
Okay, my phone is so low right now. Babe, how many percent is your phone?
84?
84. Okay, cool. Babe, my phone is on 2%. And you know I forgot my charger in the office. Can I just use your power bank too?
Yeah, you can. Just hold on. Let me get to 100 and you can use it.
Babe, look at my phone. My phone is on 2%. Let me just charge. It's about to die. And your power bank is about to die
It
too.
will not die now. You don't press it. Just hold the phone. You don't have to press it. Because if you press it, it will die. So don't press it. Let me just charge to 100 and I'll give you the power bank. Yeah? Just calm down.
Are you serious right now, babe?
But why are you making this a big deal now? I just said my phone. See, it's almost okay. It has entered 90. Just now. If you wait a little longer, it will enter 100. You can take the charger. You go and see. These guys are so hilarious. You see this live, eh? Whatever you're going through, anything at all, have data and enter Instagram. You will laugh. You will laugh. Oh my God.
Babe,
please help me get water. Thank you.
Stuck in yesternight, feeling deeply broken, but you can not let it heal. Waving heart and memories, but it's difficult.
I need to charge my phone. Oh, my goodness. Oh, man. What do I do now? What do I do? Hello, boss.
Hey, my good friend. Yeah, how's everything? Hope you're enjoying your weekend.
I'm trying, boss. Thank God.
You and this boss thing. Do you ever stop?
I will keep telling you, boss. No matter what, you are still my boss. Boss, my phone is about to die because it's on 1%. Oh my goodness. This phone just died. Can you imagine that? What do I do now? What do we do? They didn't even tell me about the generator.
Babe, I'm tired though. See, my whole body is itching me. There's no lights. Just get someone to fix the gen now.
My friend, will you shut up? You were fully aware the generator was bad all this while, and you said absolutely nothing about it. And now I begged you. I asked you to let me use your power bank to charge my phone, but you refused. All for what? So you can continue browsing on Instagram and stupid gossip blogs. Now my boss can't even reach me.
Did you just yell at me? Eric, you asked me to shut up. Eric, you just job shamed me. It's fine. No problem. You know you're the only one that has a job and I don't. You foot the bills. No problem. You're the only one that has a boss that will call you. No problem. It's okay. No problem. Excuse me.
You're a very mad man. Yes, you're very crazy. See, listen to me, my guy, eh? See, what you go tell you, I go show you chicken. You say you don't get sense. You say you don't get sense, but ask around. Tell them like they don't mess with you. Are you stupid? Are you a crazy man? Eh? You get mad?
Hi, baby.
Yesterday, I begged you to let me use your power bank to charge my phone because my phone was on extremely low battery, but you refused. All for me to get to the office today and found out that I just missed out on a business opportunity to go for a tour in Ghana. A tour that would have fetched me great connections and a very fat allowance. All because of you. My boss couldn't reach me, so he called someone else. Because of you. Huh?
Eric, do you like this drama you are causing? No, why do you blame me for everything that goes wrong in your life? You drink water and it chokes you. You call my name. What is the problem? Okay, how am I supposed to know there is an opportunity lying somewhere? Am I a ghost? Am I a spirit? Am I not a human being like you? Am I supposed to think that far? It's talking about the power bank. I told you, just wait. Small thing, you enter 100. It's a problem. And now you're shouting at me. Why? Yelling at me for nothing. Now, you said your boss friend, right? Why didn't he come to the house to check up on you when he couldn't reach you? You see? He didn't even care about you as much.
He was busy.
Oh.
Very busy.
Okay.
Something you have absolutely no idea about. Excuse me.
Another job shaming.
Rising every morning, boy, you're stuck in yesternight, feeling deeply broken, but you can not let it heal. Waving heart and memories, but it's difficult. Though it may seem you're fading away, but you have to put the past behind and move on. Tomorrow is better, though it may seem you're to put the past behind and move on. Tomorrow is better. Need a warm in place, but you cannot leave the cold. Hungry for the light, but you cannot leave the dark. Close your eyes and kiss your past goodbye. It's difficult. Need a warm in place, but you cannot leave the cold. Hungry for the light, but you cannot leave the dark. Close your eyes and kiss your past goodbye. It's difficult. Though it must seem you're fading.
Enemies don't shut up. Man and the boy, but
Okay.
What's wrong with you girls? Are you daft or something?
Excuse you?
Can't you see you're not the only person living in this house? Huh?
It looks like a part of you think that you're a landlord, right? Huh? I play music in my room, you complain. I play music in the general sitting room and you have the guts to complain. I don't understand. Do you think you own this house? Do you think you're the only one in this house? Huh?
Now you listen to me and listen very good. You have no right, no single right to play loud music like a lunatic in this house while I'm trying to get some sleep.
How dare you call me names? Huh? Are you okay? You better watch your mouth because I am in no way your younger sister. Did you hear me?
Oh, thank goodness you're not my younger sister.
Yeah. Don't you think we should go inside? You know that the stove is fine.
Fine what?
Please get your hands off me. Benny. Babe.
Oh, honey, you back? How come?
Wait. Is that a new phone?
Mm-hmm.
How were you able to get a new phone?
Oh, babe, I saved up.
From where?
From the money you've been giving me, and then from my service savings.
Sorry, let me get this straight. You mean you used up all of your service allowance plus your personal savings to buy this phone that's worth over ₦1 million? Come on, babe. Do you think that's a smart move? Huh? Listen, babe. Babe. Listen, babe. There is time for everything. And buying an expensive phone right now isn't what you need. There are other important things that you can do with your savings as a fresh graduate. Remember, your family needs you, babe.
Oh, please. Eric, please, you're yelling at me.
Yelling?
What's the problem? You couldn't get me the phone, okay? I got it for myself, so?
Babe, I'm just trying to...
Oh, I didn't buy this phone with your money first. Please, this is just a common phone. Just... If you're not happy for me, I'm going upstairs.
Babe, I didn't say...
Don't beg me.
Beautiful.
I need to get to the mall.
The mall?
Yeah.
Why the mall? I thought of taking you to the market severally. The prices are way cheaper in the market, babe.
Babe, how do you expect me to go to the market? Dressed like this. Who still goes to the market? Babe, no. I can't do it. I can't enter this coaching zone because I want to buy what?
Come on, babe. You can't be reasoning like that. Remember, we are starting a family soon. At this point, we're supposed to learn how to manage ourselves. You know, whenever we want to buy things in bulk, it's better we go and get them at the market where the prices will be cheaper, you know? If the sun is your problem, then we can drive to the market early, before sunset.
Eric, what nonsense are you even talking? What's this nonsense now? Just to go and buy something at the mall, Eric, why are you like this? Whenever it comes to running this house, you suddenly become stingy. It's not fair now. That's very unfair. I'm going to the mall. I don't have strength for this drama right now.
Oh my god.
Oh. Hi. Hi, honey. Where are you back? Why you came back so early today?
Yes, I'm back.
How was work today?
Why were you fidgeting?
Me? No, Oh! You know, I was all by myself, and when you walked in, I wasn't expecting anybody, so I chopped off.
Benny, what's going on? Are you sure you are okay?
Yes, I'm very okay. Yes, baby. So, how was work?
Benny, what's all this?
What's... Baby, I just decided to get a few things that I needed. You know, little shopping for myself.
You went shopping for yourself?
Girl things.
Benny, I took you shopping. I bought so many clothes for you. Besides, where did you get the money to buy all this?
Oh, baby. It's my uncle's, my mother's brother, my mother's younger brother. He sent us money, my family and I. So I decided to use mine and buy, a little something for myself.
The same relatives you said were not helpful.
Oh, my mind. There was the other time we had a family meeting and this particular uncle of mine, he apologized and he said he was sorry for neglecting us, and so he sent, he gave us money, myself, my mom and my brother. He sent us money. Oh, this is actually you know that market that you like to buy cheap things from. That's where I bought this one because they just used this bag to package it.
Excuse me.
What is it again?
Listen, you can smoke as long as you want. It's none of my business, trust me. But what I wouldn't take is you smoking in the living room. The only reason I kept quiet the other nights while you and your friends were smoking and partying was because of my respect for women. But please, don't try that next time. Respect yourself.
Oh no, you should respect yourself. And you should know your boundaries. You really just think you're the landlord here, right? This is a shared apartment and I am free to do whatever it is I want to do. Nobody will feed anybody for this house. I can see you don't have anything important to tell me.
Okay. Babe? 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 Benny. Benny. Where does she normally go to? Benny.
Babe. You seem to come back early these days.
And you seem to go out more often these days. Where are you coming from this time around? The supermarket? Even without buying anything.
I went to the salon.
To the salon? Benny, what's going on?
No. Babe, why are you talking like that? I went to the salon. I went to drop off my wig for revamping, yeah. I'm sorry I didn't make any food. I was in a hurry.
L is for the way you look at me. O is for the only one I see. V is for very, very extraordinary.
Hi, baby. Yeah, I just got home. Guess what? It happened again. Okay, mommy, what will happen is, hey, mommy, just choose two. Two. Two is enough, mommy. Okay, I'll just call you back. All right, ma. I love you too, mommy. All right.
Your mom?
Yeah.
Okay. Babe, I'll be traveling on an official business trip tomorrow morning.
Oh. Safe trip on your way tomorrow.
Are you serious right now? You couldn't even bother to ask me what state I'll be traveling to.
Oh, God. Babe, I totally forgot. I'm sorry.
You know what?
Skipped my mind.
Whatever, never mind.
Babe, where are you going to?
Whatever.
I'm sorry.
Whatever.
Okay. Good morning, baby.
Hello. Good morning.
Let me help you with the bag.
Okay.
Come.
What's going on here?
Have a seat.
Wow.
Babe, stop it.
You woke up this early to make breakfast for me?
Why you sounding like I don't make breakfast for you?
Because you've not done that in recent times. I'm surprised.
Babe, don't tell me you're still mad at me from yesterday. But I said I was sorry. Sorry. Forgive me. I'm sorry, baby.
All right.
Enjoy.
Wow. This looks so nice. Wow, this is...
Because I made it.
Okay, where do I start from? Okay. Forgotten now. On the heart. That's nice as well.
Babe, easy. Why are you rushing the food?
Babe, let me hug, okay? All right, babe. I have a flight to catch. I have to get going, okay?
Okay.
Thank you so much for this.
Thank you too.
Mwah. You're just being so extra sweet this morning. I don't get this. What's going on?
All right, go to work.
All right, I'll be back in the next 3 days, so don't miss me too much, okay?
No problem. I know.
What? How do you know? Did I tell you about this yesterday?
Did you? Yeah, you mentioned it.
I did?
Did you forget?
Did I?
Yeah, you said you were
Anyways,
going to be back
it's
every
okay.
day.
It's all right. It's all right. I have to get going now. Baby, I love you so much. Come here.
I love you, my love.
Mwah. Right. Gotta go. Okay. Hi, baby.
Bye.
See you. Hey, thank you. Don't worry about that. Oh my goodness. Okay. I'm going to the airport, please.
L is for the way you look at me. O is for the only one I see. V is for very, very extraordinary. E is even than anyone that you adore can. L is the way you look at me. O is for the only one I see. V is for very, very extraordinary. E is even than anyone that you adore can. Love is all I can give you. It's more than just a game for two. Two will love can make it. Take my heart, but please don't break it. Love is all I can give you. It's more than just a game for two. Two will love can make it. Take my heart, but please don't break it. L is for the way you look at me. O is for the only one I see. V is for very, very extraordinary. E is even than anyone that you adore can. L is the way you look at me. O is for the only one I see.
What is my boss's car doing here? What is going on here? What is going on here?
It's not what you think, all right? I can explain. Just relax, okay?
Benny?
Eric.
Benny, so this is the reason you've been giving me attitude all this while? Like, that he's the reason for all your luxuries?
Eric, I said calm down now. Relax.
And you? So this is the reason you sent me on this 3 days business trip that you could have gone to. You sent me so you can be with my woman.
Young man, I said calm down. Relax.
How could you do this to me?
What are you trying to do?
How could you do this to me?
Get your hands off me! Have you forgotten that I'm your boss?
To hell with you and that company of yours. Do you hear me? Do you hear me?
Eric, it is not my fault that you do not know how to take care of a woman. All right?
Oh.
Yes, you're all about work. I mean,
So this is the reason why you sent me on this 3 days trip that you are supposed to go to. You sent me so you can be with my fiancé, right?
Eric, please, you need to calm down.
Right?
Just relax.
And I trusted you, Rob. I took you as a brother, as a friend. So much for calling you a friend.
Eric.
You know what? Greatest news flash.
You'll regret it.
I quit! No! Ah! My boss, my best friend, my fiancé. Oh my God, I'm losing my mind right now. No! Ah! No!
I know, see, exactly. That is what I'm talking about. Yes!
How could you do this to me? How could you do this to me?
I'm sorry you have to find out this way. It's been going on for some time now. Eric, you know this thing they say about love. You don't choose who to fall in love with. Ben and I found love in each other and we are compatible. Eric, I'm sorry. It's quite unfortunate I'm not through you. I found love. Love is love.
What the hell are you talking about right now? So you didn't know that all these years? And I've been showering my love on you for nothing? Huh?
Eric, what do you want? Do you want me to lie to you? Do you want me to keep pretending that I'm in love with you when I know I'm not? You want me to pretend and then start misbehaving when we get married? It's best you know now so you can move on with your life.
Move on, you say? How am I supposed to move on, Penny?
Babe, let me call you back, okay? I'm coming, I'll call you back here. What's going on there?
How the fuck can I move on? Huh? Penny, how could you? After everything I've done for you and your family, you made me invest in this relationship when you knew you would walk away at the end.
Eric, just please stop it. Do away with this thing now. What's this? You invest, and so ahead. Are you the first? Come on now. People do charity all the time and they don't expect a wife in return. I found love.
What's going on there? Love is a big. Hello, how far? Yeah, as you were saying.
I mean, love is a beautiful thing, and there's nothing I can do about it. I'm sorry. Ben and I are compatible. We find peace and love with each other. I pray you get your own woman.
After everything I've done for you and your family, this is how you pay me. Huh? Right? All the love I showed you. This is what I get. You left me for another man. No, I'm not good enough for you. But he is good enough for you. He is good enough for you. I'm not good enough for you.
Is everything okay? Hello?
What do you want?
Nothing. It's just I noticed that you haven't stepped out of the house in a while. And you don't even look... You look like a mess. What is going on?
You know what? We need to get you off of this first.
Don't do that.
Just
Don't.
go.
You have no right to do that.
See, you have to try to talk to me, okay? I'm literally the only person in this house who's willing to listen to you. At least just let me be my neighbor's keeper this once. So talk to me, what's going on?
She left me for my boss.
Are you serious? Wait, like all of this happened here?
I'm telling you, it happened.
You know, I remember hearing voices the other day, but I came and I saw the both of you talking, so I figured I needed to excuse you both, but this? Oh my gosh. Losing your fiancé, your boss, and your best friend on the same day. That is so devastating.
Tell me more about it. Tell me more about it.
And you know what's crazy is that you will end up disliking and hating the opposite gender because you will literally feel like every other person is the same way. And what? You go to this as an escape? Trust me, this does absolutely nothing. You're just going to end up realizing that it's going to milk out the entire funds you have left. I'm being serious.
Well, it does for me. It does a lot for me.
That is what you're thinking right now, but it doesn't.
It's not what I think. It's what I know. Helps me. And by the way, how do you know so much?
How I know about all this?
Yeah.
Let's just say I used to be in a dark place like you are right now. You know, it changed everything about me. You know, I literally changed overnight. I just found myself becoming bitter and, you know, hating your gender so much that I didn't want to associate myself with them anymore. Which is why you never see men coming to visit me here. I'm always with my female friends, and that's it.
Yeah. Yeah. You know, I noticed this. You always hang out a lot with your girlfriends. And also, you're always bitter and grumpy. What happened?
What happened? You know, the only reason I'm telling you this story is because I hope you listen to me and it will take you out of this dark place. Yes.
Well, shoot your shot.
So I had this fiancé. We dated for 10 years. 10 good years.
Like 10 years?
After the university, I got a bank job and he was still job hunting. So I advised him to come over to the city and, you know, stay with me while he keeps job hunting. I literally placed him on a monthly salary from my interim. I did. Months passed. Years passed. He didn't get a job. So I offered him my car for him to use it as a taxi. At least so that he could earn something, no matter how little it had to be. And then he proposed. We were happy. I was happy. So he brought about this whole idea where he said we should leave the country for greener pastures, and you know, I thought about it and it made sense. So yes, why not? So we agreed he should go first while I come to join him afterwards. I literally funded everything because I was the only one working. I funded everything from the documents to the accommodation to everything.
Like everything?
Yes. I did all of that.
Wow.
I literally sold all my properties. I sold every single thing I had. Gave some up because we were about to start up a new life, right? And I got to the airport. And they placed a call to him. Guess what?
What?
He denied me.
No.
I was literally deported back to Nigeria.
What?
I didn't know where to start from. After I had let go of every single thing, I was stranded. I had no place to go to. I had absolutely no idea where to start from. I was only able to afford a studio apartment. Yes. And I just resorted to drinking, smoking, and partying because it was just too much. And that was where I met the girls you always see me with. So yeah.
I'm so sorry about that.
I'm fine now.
L is for the way you look at me.
Hey.
O is for the only one I see.
Good morning, Eric.
Hi, good morning.
How are you feeling today?
Oh, I'm alive.
Anyways, I made you breakfast, okay?
Oh, really?
So you can come eat.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
That was very thoughtful of you. But I still don't have appetite right now.
Well, you have to find it, okay? And if you can see, I intentionally made you tea bread with boiled eggs. Because if you remember, you told me that was your favorite breakfast.
I can see. So that was why you asked me yesterday.
Well, kinda.
It's nothing serious. I don't just have appetite right now.
Well, you have to try. Okay, you've literally not had anything to eat since the whole incident. So you have to eat something. And trust me, I'm going to start acting like your mom.
Really?
Yes, really. So get up.
So you want to act like my mom right now?
Well, for the time being, I think I need to do that. So get to it already. Stand up.
Okay, mommy. All right.
There you go.
Since you won't let me rest. Oh, wow. This actually looks nice.
I hope it tastes nice as well.
From the looks of things, it does.
And by the way, I used honey because I do not use sugar. I hope you don't mind.
No, I don't. All right.
So does it taste good?
Though it may seem you're fading away, but you have
Eric!
to put the past behind.
Eric, you there?
And move on. Tomorrow is better, though it may seem.
Eric. Eric, wake up. Are you okay? Eric! Eric, wake up! Oh my God, you scared me. What is wrong with you, huh? What is wrong with you?
Leah, how are you?
Eric, see, what has happened has happened. Okay, you need to pick the pieces of your life together. You have your life ahead of you, for God's sake. Why are you doing this to yourself? Eric, I'm talking to you. Did you hear anything I said?
What did you say?
Eric, you really can't continue doing this to yourself, okay? Like, what has happened has happened. You need to move on from me, don't you get it?
I'm trying. I'm trying, but you know, it's not working. I'm trying. I don't know what else to do at this point. I can't even believe that you're the one giving me this advice right now. Like, it's just...
To be honest, I also can't even believe that I'm the one giving you this advice. It's just that you in this situation right now, it just makes me reflect on my past. See, Eric, I understand that you're reacting to the wrong that has been done to you, but you need to get over it, okay? See, all of this isn't going to help you, it's just going to worsen the situation. So you need to pick the pieces of your life and put it together. You know what? Eric.
Okay, I'll try. I've heard you. I'll try. I've heard you.
Okay, fine. So first, we need to clean up this room. It's a mess, okay?
No.
Eric, see, let's just go. Okay, let's clean up your room because this place is a mess.
No.
Eric!
No, I don't want to get up from this bed.
We need to clean your room, so let's go and get the things we need to clean up your room.
I love being here.
Eric!
I don't want to leaving this bed right now.
Eric!
Yeah.
How are you even breathing here? You're unbelievable.
Oh my goodness.
I'll do the dusting and you do the mopping, okay? So, Eric, now that you're better, what's your plans as regards getting another job?
Yeah, about that. I was planning to send CVs to companies later.
Later?
Yeah, later.
Oh, we're not doing later. You're doing it now, okay? See, this was the exact thing I did during my time. I was literally smoking. I was addicted to smoking, drinking, partying, as time went on, because I was constantly trying to escape from my reality. And now I go for interviews and they just tell me how unproductive I've been for a very long time.
Wow.
Yes. So, you remember the part where I told you I'm going to be acting like your mom? Exactly. And that is because I do not want you making the same mistakes I made. So we're going to get to it, and after we're done with that, we'll take a stroll.
You really want to take the place of my mom, don't you?
Well, for now, yes.
Okay, no problem. Well, what can I say? Thank you, Leah.
You're welcome, Eric. So would you go get your laptop now? Where is it?
Sure. Where did I keep that laptop again?
And hopefully you haven't forgotten your password considering the whole situation.
You're not serious. You would have asked me if I still remember my date of birth.
You remember?
I'm serious. I'll be right back.
Okay, that's fine.
Okay.
L is for the way you look at me. O is for the only one I see. V is for very, very extraordinary. E is even than anyone that you adore can. L is the way you look at me. Oh.
Well, we're done for today. At least we achieved something. So tomorrow, we go again.
Yep. Yeah. We have actually. All thanks to you. We've been able to send, how many? 1, 2, 3, 4 CVs to 4 different companies. In my opinion, that's right about it. But I get you. I know that's not enough. We need to send more CVs to more companies to increase our chances of getting interviews.
Exactly. And I don't know, I feel like you have greater chances of getting a job fast because, you have additional professional qualifications. So yes, that should help a lot.
Well, we'll see.
Fingers crossed.
Fingers crossed. Thank you.
Very good about this.
You have to use your analog to, you have to try to use your analog to, Oh, that was close.
That's good for you.
That was close.
Well, close nearly can never kill a bear.
Oh, really?
Yes, really.
Okay, you just press the button. And now I will show you what I'm capable of doing. Get ready for this, huh? just get ready for what's about to happen right now. Okay. Okay, I'm just gonna help you because I'm a good guy. Yeah.
Oh,
So
please.
use your analog for your direction to control your players. Then X is to pass, block is to shoot, O is to cross, and triangle is for true pass. You know what they call true pass? I don't think you know. Okay. Go.
It's like you cheated.
I told you to get ready for what's about to happen. I told you press the button. And
Nice
now...
one. I really need to learn this properly.
Don't worry, I'll teach you. Let me just celebrate my victory. Sorry. You know, come to think of it, this is actually the first time I'm feeling this happy since the incident, you know.
Aww. Well, it's a good thing. It shows that, you know, you're getting better and you're healing. That is just all I want for you right now.
Yeah.
Yes.
And all thanks to you, I'm just happy being around you and talking to you.
Well, you're welcome. To be honest.
I didn't say thank you yet. Thank you.
Okay. You're welcome. I really just felt like I needed to help, you know. You were in a really bad place, so yes. Just being my neighbor's keeper, basically.
Thank you.
Okay.
All right, so
okay,
use your analog now. Just wait till you're rushing it. Pass.
L is for the way you look at me. O is for the only one I see. V is for very, very extraordinary. E.
Hello? Yes, good afternoon. Yes, this is Eric on the line. Who am I speaking with, please? Yes, I did. Okay, I should check my email right away. Okay, I'll do that right now. Okay, thank you. Thank you very much. All right. Whoa! Yes! 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 Look at this. Just look at this. The most I got the job. Oh my God! Yes! No, don't worry. Just leave it. When I come back, then we'll have lunch. Okay?
Okay, that's fine.
All right.
So, you want to leave this?
Oh, okay. Thank you.
Hold on.
What's that? Oh.
Forgot this.
And yeah, that reminds me, babe. Remember, we'll be going for our premarital class, so I'll come pick you up from your store. Let's have this evening, so we'll go together. Okay?
Oh, really? Babe, I almost forgot. So the thing is, I'm not going to the store today. The girls will handle the store because I have an appointment with our wedding planner this morning.
Oh.
Mm-hmm.
Oh. Okay, that's beautiful. That's beautiful. Then I'll come pick you up from the house, so we'll go together. How about that?
Yeah, that's fine. I should be done by then.
All right, baby.
Make sure your day is as lovely as yourself.
Oh, I wish you the same. My whole heart in a woman's body. Come here.
I love you, babe.
I love you more. I love you more. I have an important meeting at the regional office today.
Okay, that's fine. Best of luck, babe.
Hey, where's my phone? I need to go get it.
Don't worry, babe. Don't stress. I'll get it for you. A minute. Okay, come here.
All right, I'm waiting. Sweet girl. Sweet lady.
A minute, okay?
You look beautiful.
Thank you, baby.
I feel like coming after you right now. I could just come up there and...
Eric, please. Eric, I'm sorry.
What are you doing here, Betty?
Please, I'm sorry. I've realized my mistakes and I'm back for good. Please. Please. Remember when you used to say that we belong together? Now I see it's true. Babe, please. You know you're the first man in my life. Your friend deceived me. He knew I was naive and he took advantage of me. I don't know how it happened. Babe, I swear your friend is not who we thought he was. He deceived me. He got 2 other girls pregnant and when I tried to confront him, he said he didn't ask me out, so I don't have any right to ask him questions. I'm sorry. Babe, I'm sorry. I want us back. You're the only man for me, please. I don't know what happened. I promise I'm not always like this.
Hey, baby. Come here. Oh, thank you. Now come here. Excuse me.
It's for the only one I see.
Come here.
V is for very, very extraordinary.
One more time.
E is even than anyone that you adore can.
You should start going, okay? So
I
don't want to go now.
Babe, you have to go to work.
I do not want to go now.
You
I
have
want to
to go.
stay at
It's
this
for the
beautiful
only
God's
one
gift. All right.
Okay, sure.
V is for very, very extraordinary.
You have to go. Babe, stop.
Is
looking forward, okay?
Listen to me.
Babe, you're going to be late.
Love is all I can give you.
Don't worry
It's
about
more
it.
than just a
I don't even feel like
gift
going to work.
for two.
Babe, you have to go to work.
Please.
So,
Hey.
here you.
But please don't break it.
I love you.
Love is
Don't you
all
forget.
I can give you.
And I love
It's
you too.
more than just a game for two.
All right. I gotta go.
Let me see you off to the car.
And make it. Take my hand. L is for the way you look at me. O is for the only one I see. V is for very, very extraordinary. E is even than anyone that you adore can. L is the way you look at me. O is for the only one